Hi friends, and welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for being here today. So today's recipe is this delicious Goan keema samosas made with homemade dough. Don't they look amazing? So without much further ado, let's jump into the recipe, and there is a shout out for a very special subscriber. So keep watching. So friends, let's start with the samosa recipe. Now to make the dough, I'm taking 3/4 of a cup of whole wheat flour and 1/4 of a cup of plain flour or maida. I'm adding a pinch of salt and mixing the flour and the salt well. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of oil and I'm going to mix everything really well till you're able to hold the flour in your hand like this. Then you're going to add little water at a time. So I might have used about 4 to 5 tablespoons of water and make this dough into a nice firm yet elastic kind of dough. So keep kneading it for about a minute or so and then just leave it aside or to rest for 5 minutes. After that, we're going to dust our surface with a little bit of the flour and coat the dough with the flour. And now you're going to roll it into 1-inch thickness like this, into a big square like this. You should be able to lift the dough. See, that doesn't stick to the surface. Then I'm going to use my pizza cutter, or you can use a knife and just cut it into a square shape. You don't throw off the dough, that sides, you can use that again. Reuse it to make more samosas. So now I've got 3 even sized pattis. Now I'm going to cut them into halves. Now I'm going to take one tip and bring it to the edge like that, and then again like that. Seal this part which I'm pressing down, and then just take it in the palm of your hand like this. Fill it up with this keema. Now I'll leave a link to this keema recipe in the description box as well as the comment section. And then just push the keema down, apply some water to the top triangle like this, and then just fold it over tightly and seal the samosa. Now we're going to be deep frying this, so this shouldn't open, otherwise all the keema will go into the oil. It will be a fiasco. So seal it nicely. See that there's no opening, no loose ends. Take your time with it. So with this amount of dough, I got about 12 samosas of this size. Now you can make these samosas, freeze them in your freezer and fry them whenever you want. It lasts for a month in the freezer and for about say 3 or 4 days in the normal fridge. So like this, make the samosas, and then all you have to do is just deep fry them till they're nice and golden brown in color. Now I could have left the keema recipe at the end of the video, but then the video becomes very long. So I'll leave a link below, as well as at the end of the video you'll see a screen with the keema on it. Just click on it and it will take you directly to the keema recipe. So enjoy this lovely samosas with some ketchup or chutney and enjoy it. They're nice and crispy and the inside is amazingly delicious. Let me open up one for you and show you. Oh, I can't wait to dig in. So friends, today's shout out is for one of my very special subscribers and a friend too. Her name is Cyrilla Meneza da Silva. I hope I pronounced it properly, Cyrilla. So Cyrilla lives overseas, and she got in touch with me via email, and that's how we connected. And I shared my personal number with her, and so now we chat on WhatsApp. And Cyrilla has always been very kind, and her always sending me lovely messages, and I love talking to her and keep catching up with what's happening. And the best part is Cyrilla will be coming down in July, so I'm looking forward to meeting you dear in person, and I will maybe put up a clip of both of us or a picture once we meet. But thanks Cyrilla for watching my videos and being in touch with me. It means a lot to me to actually connect on a personal level with my subscribers. So Cyrilla, God bless you and your family, your husband, your 2 sons, and may all your wishes and all your prayers come true. So looking forward to meeting you very soon. Lots of love, Akshata. I'll end this video here. Take care of yourselves. Stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another and yourselves. Do things that make you happy and keep watching Akshata's recipes. Lots of love. Bye.